All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and Honda parts quality has gone up. If you watched my video, I got my butt kicked by R1234YF. I talked about a Honda condenser in that video that had a factory installed leak. Behind the camera, I have a Honda Civic. Compressor's leaking, surprise. Condenser beat to hell and back. Now I wish I hadn't sold it. Sitting there in my bay because I've gotten two condensers that had holes in them from the factory where they were made. The first one, I'm like, it's scarred up. I showed the service writer, I'm gonna install it, see if it leaks. I installed it, didn't put the front end on, passed the leak check. The other one didn't. Put some refrigerant in it, sprayed it down with soapy water. Yeah, bubbles up. It's like, nope, we need another one. The Honda dealer we buy from had 10 condensers in stock. They unboxed all 10 of those condensers. All 10 of them had factory installed cuts in them. No lie. That 10 of them had factory installed slices down the backside, the radiator side. They sent us the best example they had. It still had slices down the backside. I'm like, okay, I'll see what it does. Installed it, vacuum tested it, passed, okay. Put refrigerant in it, soapy water, leaking. I mean, come on. You've got condensers on national back order and your factory is producing factory ones that leak out of the box. The last one I opened up in front of the service writer. Literally, I showed him cutting the tape for the plastic wrap. He saw me open it up, showed him where it was slashed, and go, we'll see. Yeah, it still leaked. Yeah, Honda R1234YF systems. If you own one, I'm freaking sorry because you're going to wind up replacing that system over and over and over again. This one's got a compressor, condenser. I had another one today, needed a compressor, a hose, selling a condenser because again, they get beat up. I mean, the lower things are just destroyed. So how they don't leak, I don't know, but they get destroyed in the line of traffic. But I priced it so we could just do the compressor and the hose, and well, they declined because, well, expensive. I'm sorry if you own one of these cars. Good luck, because you're probably going to rebuild the system multiple times over its life because they just suck. So as always, hope you enjoyed this rant. Thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.